Hello, and welcome. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. In today's video, we're going to explore how you can maintain productivity, even when your plant operations are on hold. As we navigate through recent global challenges, such as the coronavirus pandemic, we'll hear from 5 industry specialists who will share their advice on keeping things moving forward, regardless of the circumstances. So if you're part of a maintenance or operations team, this video is going to be super useful. Let's get started. 5 industry specialists have come together to share their expert advice on keeping things moving forward, even when your usual workflow has come to a halt. First up, let's talk about the importance of properly shutting down your machinery. Michael M., a maintenance and reliability engineer at Worthington Industries, emphasizes the need to follow specific instructions for shutting down machines. This might include draining, flushing, oil coating, and setting machines on a slow-speed turning gear to cool down. It's crucial to review all these requirements and be ready to implement them to avoid any long-term damage. Next, Trevor H., an equipment manager at Cass Incorporated, advises checking on your equipment. This is the perfect time to get everything pressure washed and cleaned, conduct in-depth searches for stress cracks, check for fluid leaks, and evaluate overall performance. Creating utilization reports based on your findings can help identify any precarious faults and issues, ensuring you address them promptly. On to documentation. Bruce S., operations manager at Unity International Group, suggests using this downtime to update or draft your standard operating procedures, emergency operating procedures, and preventive maintenance instructions. Keeping documentation up to date is not only critical for compliance, but also for ensuring smooth operations when things ramp back up. Taking a moment to reflect can also be incredibly beneficial. Tim R., a reliability superintendent, recommends taking a step back to evaluate where you are versus where you want to be. Use this time to make plans to close any gaps, setting yourself up for success in the future. Doug S., a maintenance and reliability manager at Tiger Calcium Services Incorporated, reminds us not to defer maintenance. This downtime should be used to ensure that all systems are reliable and ready to go once normal operations resume. It's all about coming back even stronger. And here's a bonus tip from Rob K., an asset management specialist at Enbridge. He encourages focusing on what you can control, like how you spend your time, money, and energy, and minimizing worry about the things you can't control. Ask yourself how you can grow as a person and as a professional during these times. Reflect on whether you've been the best family member or colleague you can be, and think about what you truly enjoy doing. To recap, we've discussed the importance of proper machinery shutdown, equipment checks, updating documentation, self-reflection, and not deferring maintenance. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. To learn more about our tools and resources, visit upkeep.com. We appreciate your time, and remember, we're all stronger than we think, and we have more to give than we realize. Let's use this time wisely and spread positivity.